Hello everyone, my name is K. Sainath and I am from Group PTZC. Today's topic hybridization. First of all, we will see what is hybridization. The intermixing of two or more atomic orbitals of an atom with almost same energy to give same number of identical and degenerate new type of orbitals is known as hybridization. The new orbitals formed are also known as hybrid orbitals. During hybridization, the atomic orbitals with different characteristics are mixed with each other. The types of hybridization: sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2, sp3d3. Let's first see what is sp hybridization. Intermixing of one sr and one p orbitals of almost equal energy to give two identical and degenerate hybrid orbitals is called sp hybridization. These sp hybrid orbitals are arranged linearly at by making 180 degree of angle. They possess 50% of S and 50% of P character. As we can see here the diagram of this, here it is sp or s orbital and p orbital. These two intermix and form an sp orbital. This is sp hybrid orbital. Let's see what is sp2 hybridization. Intermixing of 1s and 2p orbitals of almost equal energy to give three identical and degenerate or hybrid orbitals is known as sp2 hybridization. The three sp2 hybrid orbitals are oriented in trigonal planar symmetry at angles of 120 degrees to each other. The sp2 hybrid orbitals have 33.3 percentages character and 66.6 percentage p character. Here we can see the diagram of sp2 hybridization. S orbital, p orbital and py orbital. These three oriented in a way called trigonal planar symmetry, in which the angle difference between the three orbitals is 120 degrees. Let's see sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, 1s 3p orbitals of almost equal energy intermix to give four identical and degenerate hybrid orbitals. These four sp3 hybrid orbitals are oriented in tetrahedral symmetry with 109 degrees 28 minutes angle with each other. The sp3 hybrid orbitals have 25% s orbital is character and 75% of p character. Here we can see the diagram: s orbital, p orbital, py and pz. sp3 diagram, which are oriented in a tetrahedral symmetry. The shape of this sp3 hybridization hybrid orbitals is tetrahedral symmetry with an angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. This is my topic and thank you for giving this opportunity.